I'm Julie Kinscheck, and I ask you this important question. What happens when we breathe? First, we'll talk about the inhale. We breathe in. Air goes past the pharynx in the back of our throat. It comes down, goes through the open epiglottis, through the open vocal cords, down the trachea, and into our lungs. Our lungs expand. The air accumulates in the alveoli, the sacs in our lungs that are responsible for facilitating gas exchange to give that life-giving oxygen to your cells. What happens when we exhale? The waste products that were gathered up in the alveoli come out into the lungs on the air pressure exerted by the natural recoil of the rib cage and the intercostal muscles, the diaphragm. The air comes back up through the trachea, through the open vocal cords, through the open epiglottis, up past the pharynx, through the mouth and the nose, and out into the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide expelled. How is that different from a singing breath? I need some help right here.